Good afternoon. Today Gaz has just picked me up. Say hi, Gazaroo.
Whoop whoop.
And the weather's a little bit shitty, but it's not going to stop us. We are going to head out to Rutland Water, which is in the county of Rutland.
It has its own county.
It has its own county, and we're going to do some walking around there. Gaz has also brought some toys for us to play with. We've got a drone and a gimbal, so we're going to see what the footage looks like. Bye. He's driving.
I'm driving.
The section of Rutland Water we covered today was Normanton to Lyndon and back, which was around 5 miles.
Camera on camera action.
Now, if you're feeling energetic and want to take in the full circuit of Rutland Water, it's a whopping 24 miles if you include Hambleton, or 16 without.
Need a pool. Need a pool. That's fine. This is what you get when you get a mental person walking behind you.
So Gazzy's just picked
Sorry,
a
I'm just rubbing my apple.
very small apple off the tree. How does that taste?
It's actually right.
Is it really, or is this one of those things?
It's just a little bit dry.
Now, unfortunately, the weather was a bit rubbish for the drone today, but Gaz did get to have a little play with his new gimbal. Here comes the rain! Well, we made it. We were halfway. Got to Lyndon, and there was a lovely nature reserve and a visitor centre if anyone's interested. It took us about 2.5 hours to get to Lyndon and back, and that included a few stops to do some filming. There were a few slight inclines, but nothing too dramatic. So we did our walk. We got rained on a lot.
Wasn't too bad, a little bit wet,
So
a little bit moist.
we got ice creams to cheer ourselves up.
Yum, yum, yum.
Moist.
Moist. A little bit moist.
Moist.